Financial planning. Yes or no? Let's get started.
Welcome. May I help you?
Hi. I would like to know more about your wealth planning services.
Sure. Please take a seat here, and our customer service manager will serve you. Kindly wait for a moment.
Oh, thank you. It's very nice here.
Morning, sir. Sorry for keeping you waiting. May I know the types of products you're interested in?
I'll retire in the coming 5 years. I've spotted your promotion recently, and would like to check if there are any products that are suitable for me to invest.
If you'll be the retiree, it's especially important to choose your investments carefully.
Yes. Retirement may last longer than the working years. I'm so worried about my retirement life.
It's a common concern nowadays, because the medical advancements will lead to longer life expectancies. It would then cause higher living and medical expenses.
It's such a big question to me. I would like to spend more time with friends and family, engage in hiking, and enjoy exotic travel vacations. There are so many online tools, such as budgeting and retirement calculators. I sometimes feel overwhelming and confused how I should plan for it, without any incorrect assumption and consideration.
It's certainly not your question and concern, but the public. In order to obtain a certain level of protection for retirement life, people start planning even after graduation.
I've hesitation about my savings, whether they are sufficient or not for me and my family. Or should I continue to work after retirement?
I think everyone does not want to work after the retirement age. Retirement is not a destination. It's actually a new phase of joyful life.
However, how can I ensure that there is adequate income for my comfortable and secure living?
As the savings are limited, you should try to turn savings into income in the long run.
I'm not willing to take more risks because of the potential loss of the value.
Many older generations prefer less risky investments when they're close to the retirement age.
As there may be longer retirements, should I take on some risks in my portfolio?
Higher risks may bring higher returns or higher losses. Yet, everyone works hard to build and preserve the assets during the working years. In addition to investment risk, there is also inflation risk that will lower your purchasing power. It's truly covering complex issues. First of all, you should diversify your portfolio for minimizing the risks.
What do you mean of diversification?
You should try to choose a mix of investment products within your portfolio for managing risks.
I've heard of the concept before. That is, avoiding the risk of having all eggs in one basket.
The goal of a diversified portfolio is to outperform the majority of more focused one, rather than maximizing returns.
Oh, my goodness. It's such a challenge to me.
You can make your life more enjoyable through financial planning by choosing our services. Our professional advice will help you to select investments from a range of different regions, industries, and asset classes. We can create a holistic plan so that you're confident about your retirement.
I think I'm prepared for retirement because I've accumulated wealth and stayed disciplined of my spending in the past 20 years.
There are several areas that you should take cautious consideration, including income source, debt, insurance, legacy, and tax.
Can you give me some advices of maintaining a long-term growth of my wealth?
The balance of risks and returns is critical. It's significant to decide allocating an appropriate percentage of your portfolio into cash, stocks, investment funds, and bonds.
I'm more prudent with the investment choices now. In turn, I would like to maintain a certain level of living as well.
Our professional team can offer you the ideal investment solutions. We help you define and achieve the goals through tailored advice for tomorrow and future generations. We can also help you prepare better for expected and unexpected expenses. Through our expertise, we'll arrange a detailed assessment of your current situation and come up with an estimate of your retirement income. Cash flow analysis will be provided so that you've a clear picture of income and expenses. As you've mentioned, maintaining current lifestyle is required, and this cash flow plan will be monitored on a regular basis. Finally, our team of experienced and investment professionals will optimize your wealth by providing you strategic advice and solutions. We act in the best interests of clients with due skill, care, and diligence. You'll be well informed and appropriately advised throughout the financial journey. Please have rest assured that we'll include everything concerning your savings, investments, fund flow, debt, insurance, and other relevant elements for an effective planning procedure. Can we make an appointment with you to begin the assessment?
It's amazing that your bank has got the award of the best wealth management provider for the past consecutive 5 years. Let me check my schedule.
Right. Our award demonstrates our unique expertise, and we pride ourselves on our leadership and excellence.
I'll be available this Friday afternoon. How about 3 p.m.?
It's cool, and we'll fix the schedule with our financial advisor. Before the meeting, our financial advisor will contact you to prepare some basic information.
That's great. And it's fine with me.
Thanks for your patience and time today.
You're welcome. Thank you.